Okay, so we have here LRC7, Aniline Leather Cleaner. This is also going to work on things like waxy pull-up anilines as well. So great product for removing dirt, grime and grease and things from your leather. Will work on nappa as well. Nappa's a much finer leather compared to a standard sort of pigmented leather. So application, on this particular 1 litre bottle, you've got a twist thing here. Just twist that round to open it up, and you can either spray directly onto the actual leather itself or into a sponge. And the whole idea of cleaning your aniline is to get it as, not to get it as wet as possible, but you want to make sure that you get it even. So if you've got like stitch lines on a seam that's sort of like here or something on the back of your sofa or on a base, you want to make sure you clean right to the stitch lines, because if you only clean part way through, you're going to get like a sort of possible watermark left where you've cleaned up to. So you want to spray some of this into the actual sponge itself to create almost like a sort of foam, like so, and then you're just going to rub in a circular motion like this, and just keep rubbing that in, and that'll just get rid of all any dirt and grime that's on the surface and remove all that for you. And just keep rubbing in a circular motion. If you've got very deep ingrained dirt, what you can do is use the leather cleaning brush, the Brucal leather cleaning brush. We either do a mini or a maxi, or there is the horsehair brush. And again, you can spray a little bit into the actual brush itself and just rub in very, very gently. You don't want to really scrub like you can do with your pigmented leathers. You just want to lightly agitate the surface, because obviously aniline leather is an open pore leather, as you can see, where it's sort of soaked right into the surface. So once you've done that, you would then obviously wipe away any dirt residue from the surface, like so, and just wipe any dirt away to remove that, and just keep going over the surface until you've got it completely cleaned. But you would go right to the edges of your item, so you'd carry on going through, you know, to clean your item right the way through, all the way to the edge. And what you're doing is you're sort of like stopping any possibilities of watermarks appearing from where you've gone up to, and you literally just clean that right through to the edge of the item like so. And just give it, you know, clean in a circular motion. With the Brucal, as I say, just very, very gently go over the surface with that, and just leave that to naturally dry, and that will just naturally dry out. Again, with the Brucal, spray a little bit into the Brucal and very, very gently over the surface. Again, you can clean in a circular motion, because what you've got to try to do is to get into the grain of the aniline, because aniline is a natural grain. It's got open pores, it's got hair follicles visible, so you need to get right into those to lift the dirt and grime out completely. And just go over the surface like so, and then simply wipe away with a lint-free cloth any dirt that's on the surface. That is a very quick and simple, effective way of cleaning aniline leather using the leather repair company LR7 Aniline Leather Cleaner.